Bro, is Peter asleep? Where's Peter, bro? Peter, Aurelian, Daniel. We tagged them. They lacking. Boys lacking. They're gonna miss the hot sauce. We drink some smoothie real fast. Yeah, D. You got a zone for us today? Absolute degen. I'm seeing this SMT though. I'm really seeing this SMT right here on that low. And these as well. I think we have a big ass SMT right here. We could be seeing something happen on open with that. Essentially here. What do you boys think? You guys think about that? What do you boys think? Bro, this week, where is everyone, literally? If I joined a couple Discord, I'm getting so many pings, it's insane. I'm gonna have to remove every single piece of I'm gonna have to remove everything. There's so many I'm getting pinged so much, it's insane. Torgor, what's good, Torgor? How's it going? You cooked, my boy? Or are you getting cooked? Which one? ES looks clean right now. And he looks like ass, but ES looks clean. Cheesy's not gonna be with us anymore. He's leaving his place for school. So he's not gonna be with us anymore as well. Yes, sir. Not much, not much. Bro, you're grinding. You're grinding. You have to be at the bakery in a bit. Big grinding. Okay, 925 manipulation in about a minute now. What we got from news today, boys? We got PMI at 945 and natural gas storage here. So we're gonna be careful with these. Actually, hold on. Let me sign in into that to see if we have a T1. Hold on, boys. July 31st. It says we have no T1, so we have no T1 today, which is good. For MFFU traders. 770. I know, trade on open, and I've got to go. Gamble. No, I'm just kidding. 770. Yeah, possible. Real possible. We could manipulate that low right now. Yeah, okay. Manipulated the low. It's good. I'll just remove my drawings. But we did manipulate that low. We just removed that as well. There you go. So the low is manipulated. We're tapping the 50% on NQ. We have a bullish SMT here on that low right there. So we could be seeing a move up on open. We could, but we could also see a sweep of pre-market lows. Guess what was good, Daniel? You could also see a sweep of pre-market lows. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. We need something clear here. That's all I know. Longs, and we wait. We wait for a sweep of any pre-market highs or lows. Yeah, absolute degen, but we did manipulate some low just before open, so that's something to keep in mind. The trade will be on NQ. Yeah, we trade on NQ. We always trade on NQ. Always on NQ. Like, I won't be like, I'm in this. I'll be saying, this is possibly a good setup, boys. Do as you wish, right? Sometimes I'll say I'm in. Sometimes I won't. It depends. But I'll always give a clue. Always. Maximizes your profit was good. Usam. About to open in a bit. In about 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minute 20. Full port or no port? This guy's a troll. This guy's a absolute troll. Holy shit. How was your boy? What did you guys have for breakfast? I know what Husam had for breakfast. Husam had some fucking cornflakes with chocolate milk, you weird motherfucker. No? What do you have? Toothpaste? Bro, cookies and mango juice? Ew. The worst combination. Toothpaste is crazy. Damn, Thorgor, what is this? Get on my level. Alright, I'm getting called right now because it's my birthday. Leave me alone. I'm streaming. Okay. Let's see now. Let's focus. Opens in about 2 minutes 20. We're still shitting, yeah. I really want to sweep this. If we sweep this before open, hell yeah. No. No sin and happy birthday. Come on now. Big stocks are not going down though. Okay, we did sweep. We swept just before open. We swept that, so that's good. We'll see what we get from it. We'll see. Okay. We swept that before open, so we could see a big manipulation to the upside right here. We'll see though. Not sure. It's not sure at all. What do you boys think? What do you guys think? We manipulated this to move higher on open or what? It is well possible. It is well possible. Hold on. 1 hour refugee and yeah, I know that. But before it's possible on open we usually manipulate some lows and then just reverse completely to the other side. So we'll see what we get from that. Let's see, sure, but I think it will be, yeah, hopefully we'll see. 732. Oh, you got a new level now? D's got a new level, boys. He's got a new level. 722. Okay, that's another new level. Okay, open in about 30 seconds now. We'll see what we get. Oh, we did 746 could be all right as well for a reversal right here. We swept a lot of lows. Okay, we'll see in about 15 seconds what we get on the open. All right, open in about 10 seconds right now. Open in about 4. Open. Okay, open shitting. Open just shit. All right. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, Asia low. Okay, Asia low is about to be swept. It's a big gap though. Big ass gap. We'll see. Session SMT right here. No session SMT anymore. Okay. Could be filling that gap right here. 675. I forgot to buy my Bitcoin. Yeah, we're just going down and down and down and down. Holy fuck. Yeah. I mean, I can't call something in here. We're just shitting and shitting and shitting. Even better. Oh yeah, we definitely missed that sell. I mean, there was nothing to tell us that we were gonna sell off here, though. We did, did we? No, we didn't even make an. Yeah, we didn't make an SMT, but hey. Sell off. Zone's been filled. And we're gonna wait until we get some actual fucking structure, though, because it would be dumb to blindly long here. I think. What do you boys think? Would it be dumb? We got in here. We got Peter. Peter, what's good, Peter? I should short it open. Not today, not Monday. I'm a yeah. Fuck, bro. You should have. You should have. Hey, 7 people in here. Appreciate you, boys. What's good? What's good? How's it going? No trades for now. I mean, look, we're just shitting the bed. We need something clear here. We just dumped about like 100, 200 points right here, I think. Yeah, about 200 points. Hold on. Almost on the 200 points. So yeah, we'll see. But right now, I'm not gonna take that reversal. We're just knifing down without sweeping anything valuable. Yes, we did sweep all of this right here, but it's just gambling if we long that. When a gap inverses, so we're gonna wait. Falling knife, yeah. Hold on, I need to make some math here. Okay. Okay, we're yes, exactly, Daniel. It's a falling knife right now, so we kind of wait. We're gonna wait and see what we get from it. But we need some structure. We have news in about 15 minutes as well. So we'll see. I guess we'll see. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until news hit. To be honest, I think that's what's gonna be this. I think that's the smart play to do here. Yes, sir. Have a good day. You have a good day, my boy. Hold on. Yeah, you have a good day, Torgor. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, or next week, because I know you're busy as hell. But yeah, right now we're gonna wait, boys. I mean, there's no reason for us to fucking do anything here. It's just shitting and shitting and shitting and shitting. So we're gonna wait. Yeah, yeah, it is. And stocks are holding well though. What is dumping though? Let me see. Stocks are doing good. Google's down, of course. Microsoft is up. Meta's up 12% still. 780. It's even higher than post earnings. So I do not know why we're shitting right here. Everything is up. Well, most of the things are up. Like if I look at the Nasdaq 100 index, everything's up. Nah, actually, okay, I know why we're dumping. I know why we're dumping. That's this bitch that's holding us down right here. I don't know what it is. Microprocessor, system IP, graphics, processing units, physical IP, and associate system. They probably got hacked. Our holding stocks and it's okay. No, it's their earnings, I guess. Yeah, it's their earnings. Their earnings slipped. Okay, so RM earnings slipped. That's why we're shitting right now. How did I know that we were shitting? Because of AI. You know what I mean, right? I went to the stock heat map. I looked at the Nasdaq 100 indexed, and I looked at what was red, what was not red, blah blah blah, and I saw ARM that was down about 13%. So that's how I did it, boys. It's not magic. It's fairly easy. So yeah, that is what told me that we were gonna be bearish here. Well, no, sorry. That is how I found out why we were bearish here. So really tough for the market. Hopefully, Marianne was good. Hopefully, Amazon's earnings are good. I'm just back to break even on Amazon, but I'm gonna gamble it tonight, and I'm gonna see if their earnings good, and tomorrow I'll sell. But yeah, I'll see. That's good. That's good, Marianne. How's it going? Falling knife right here, as we can see, kind of tough. But we'll see. We'll see. Uh, SM. Why is my shit so blurry? You guys seeing this? Thing's blurry as hell. Okay, SMT. We do have an SMT right here, but we are a falling knife. We are. It is a falling knife. We have an SMT though. Let's see it. Let's look at the higher time frame a bit. 2 minute? No. 3 minutes? No. Right here. No. Okay. Right here. Okay. So, what are we doing here? John, what would you do here in this situation? If you were trading alone, what would you do here? We swept Asia right here. Yeah, that's what I'll do. But what about John? What would John do? What would Peter do? What would Daniel do here? What would everyone do? Seeing this right now. Yes, sir. We wait. We wait. Exactly. We're patient. What's good, Usam? How's it going? You have what? Hey, cookies and mango juice. You're weird. Hey, Nvidia's dumping right now. Nvidia is dumping, boys. Meta's holding super fine though. Meta is actually pumping. Actually, just pumped $13 just right now, I believe. I mean, I'm checking. That's probably what's holding us right here because Nvidia is shitting the bed heavy. Yeah, Nvidia, yeah. We just unless Trump speaks. Oh well, when he announced the pause and Nasdaq pumped 10% in about 2 minutes. That was it. Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Damn, it's kind of far. But yeah, right here. Look, he said, "Hey, in the morning he said it's a good time to buy, and during PM he announced something about tariffs, and we pumped 8%. Well, actually, in 2 hours we pumped 10.40%. Imagine. Next time he says something, next time he dumps the market and says it's time to buy, bro, I'm putting my whole life on it." Okay, so yeah, right now, boys, we're kind of just holding back. ES is dumping. Nvidia's dumping, so yeah, I'm guessing Nvidia could refill that gap that it made. So yeah, we're gonna wait it out. Not the best day, John, sorry that you joined. I mean, it's not the best week actually because holy fuck, we yeah, and this week is just a lot of news. I believe next week's gonna be better, for news wise. I'm gonna sit on my hands on my MFFU and we'll see, honestly. So yeah. May have to broker rule tomorrow, or I will ask for a break with them. They give you 20 days per year. I got 10 right now that I've taken, so I'm gonna ask for a break, and we'll see. Uh, because MFFU, they allow you to, sorry, every seven days you have to take a trade, or let's say you take a trade on Tuesday, you have to take a trade on the next Monday, or your account get deactivated on a funded account, and if I see that next week is ass, I'm gonna ask for another break, and yeah, I'm gonna wait it out on that one. What's good, Ryan? 5 days. 5 days left. Eh, just gotta take it slow. But what I do is I don't care about the payout anymore on it. What I do is I just $100 loss, $100 win is what I'm gonna do. I don't care. Like I don't need to get more payouts from it. I just need to get moved to a live account to get daily payouts now. That's what I need. Yeah, in about. You take 50%. Yeah. Dubstep is a good rule, blah blah blah, but they take 50% of your payout. They take 50%? Yeah, it's annoying. Hey, sim profits, by the way. Sim profits. So dumb. It's so dumb. Like it's not even real money. Like why are they keeping it, you know? John, which firm are you with? Are you I did not catch the short, no. We're gonna wait until 9:45 and see if we get any movement from that. Hopefully it does not shit the market because I'm losing fucked on right now. Top step? Alright, you're top step, good. You on Unival or funded right now? Yeah, just fuck, bro. Both? Alright, alright. Any payouts yet? Yo, is it me or my fucking ES is blurry as shit? Yeah, does it not look blurry? Look at ES. It's blurry. It is blurry, right? All right, my guy. Fuck you. A couple, not many. Hey, a couple is better than nothing, right? Ryan with the Batman PFP. Bro, you said I'm going. Bro, come on. Hey, I cannot wait for Skate 4. Skate 4 to release. When Skate 4 release, boys, we're playing Skate 4. We're playing Skate 4. No, it's childhood. D. Come on. I'm never streaming. I'm never streaming again, boys. I'm never streaming again. Yo, Usam's what? Usam's like what? 19, 20? Bro, you're pushing it as well. Like, come on. I'm only what? I'm only 5 years. I'm only 5 years older than you, my guy. Okay, news in about a second here. Nothing, nothing at all. PMI sometimes moves the market, so we got nothing from the news. Really fucking unfortunate. If it's That's exactly what I was about to say as well. Yeah, but this could be reversing here. I'm thinking if we sweep this, we're tapping into the first presented. We go down, we keep going down. Look at the 30 seconds. I don't even have it open. Hold on. Let me look. What's it, hacks? Trust me. 30 seconds looks like shit, my guy. D right now, it doesn't look good, but I do see what you're looking at. I do see what you're looking at though. But it's like catching a falling knife right now. You do not want to catch a falling knife, but I do see what you're looking at. I see the 30-second IVG. Fair value, yeah, sorry. But I mean, if we dump right here, we're gonna. I really hope Amazon's earnings are good. Last time they were bad as hell because of Trump's tariff and everything. It could be bad as again, because bro, uh, Canada's just pushing the propaganda of not buying from the US so hard. It's so annoying. Like they want us to buy locally, but everything locally costs more, like $3 to $4 more. Everything. So like no, it's kind of stupid. Let's see what D said. 46, 463. Now you're on 3 that failed. I'm revoking your premium. 463. Jesus Christ, that's low as hell. Oh, yeah, hella low. It's a working progress. I love that guy. Yeah, we'll see what we get. We need some sort of structure right here. I think we can all agree we need some sort of structure right here. Like catching a reversal here could be. Hmm. I did not. I was running with my buddy. We were on a run, but I kind of missed everything, to be honest. I was in the Discord who called along right here at the top. Took it on paper just for funzy. I risk $100 on the MFFU right now. But if I was risking normally, I'd risk 250, 250, 300 max. 25-ish, 2025. MNQ, yeah, MNQ. Powell trades or whatever. 30 seconds. We have an inversion on the 30 seconds here. Yeah, we have an inversion on 30 seconds. It closed high and we swept the high as well. So we could be continuing down here. So we did invert on the 30 seconds, just right here. But we swept that high as well, so a bit of risky one. Yeah, really risky one. You see the 15 seconds. Yeah, same for the 15 seconds. We inverse on the 15 seconds, but we did sweep that high. Okay, it's still going up. It's still going up though, but yeah, we have it. We made the inversion on the 30 seconds right here. True. True. What would we bleh. What would be we Jesus fuck me, dude. What would we be bouncing off? Okay, we have a 15-minute gap right here. Is that encroachment? It is not. It is not at all. We look on ES if we made an SMT right here. That ES. Did we make an SMT? We did make an SMT on that high right here on ES. Equilibrium of what? Right here will be the equilibrium. That 30-second looks to be working right now. Looks to be working for sure. So if you're in that 30 seconds, I would go break even right now. We'll see. That high's a break even, but see, we were a point away, so I always go break even like a point away. I don't care. I don't want to get fucked, you know. But other than that, we're gonna wait to see some structure. We have the first presented right here. We could sweep and then continue reverse or inverse, whichever. Right? I don't know. Nobody knows. But that's what I'm thinking right now. Peter, have you taken anything? I'm hitting arms today. Nothing yet. All right. Hitting arms, and what am I hitting? Arms, shoulders. Yes, sir. Shoulders and arms is the best day. I almost tore a bicep a couple years ago, though. Well, a year ago. Okay, we hit the actual break-even point right here. If you took that 30-second long at 636, which is 30 points. Shh. Final TPs here if you're in. That is how many? 636. Let me see. 636. R3 with a, how many points is that? With a 15-point stop loss is a R3 with a 20-point stop loss. It is a R2.29. Sorry, I'm lying. R.24, 2.5. If we hit this, entries right there. We close on the 32nd at 636 flat. 636. Yeah, 636 pretty much flat. So let's see if we hit DP on that one. Let me know, boys. Let me know if anyone took this. It's about to hit. It's about to hit. We did make an SMT, so if you're in, you could get out right here. We're a point away, 2 points away. It's like you're done for the day. Did you make money? But yeah, if you're in right here, you could get out. We made an SMT. No money today. You lost or? Okay, full TP is about to get hit, boys. Okay, full TP hit. Anyone took that? It was a sloppy. It was a sloppy call out. I'm not gonna lie, but anyone took it? No, you didn't take it. Perfect 30-second inversion though. Oh, okay. You sit it out. I didn't take it either, but you sit it out because of that SMT right here. Oh yeah, portfolio pumping. Portfolio pumping. Keep it going. I don't even need to trade at this point. Portfolio's just doing the fucking work. Like with that upside move on my portfolio, I made like $70, I think. And I don't even need to take. Yeah, no Canadian. I don't even need to take the trade. The portfolio does it for me. That is insane. I love exposure to the market, but when we shit, and we shit a lot, and it's not fun. Like when you just see your net worth just plummet a couple thousand, it's just that is fun. But yeah, that was a good trade on the 30 seconds. Yeah, it was good. You took it, Ryan, or not? Hey, let's go. W, Ryan. You done for the day? Hey, let's go. Imagine you had your funded. Fuck. Yeah, W. No. He, uh, he, he, um, he passed it actually. Yesterday, wait, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, he blew the consistency rule. My fault, by the way. And he had to lose some profits, and then today he passed it. But now he has to wait for end of day to actually get the funded, if that makes sense. So he's going to be able to trade it tomorrow. Vol's pumping, Nvidia's pumping, market's pumping. We're happy. We could be making an SMT on session highs right here. So we'll see. But we could be making an SMT right here. That was a good trade, by the way. That was a 40 points. Was it 40? 35 to 81. That's 40, 45, 45, 50. Yeah, 40, something like that. Between 40 and 50. So yeah, W on Ryan for Acton. Really happy about this. John D, did you take that long? Okay, SMT. We have an SMT right here. I'm gonna remove this. Like a good little boy. Yes, sir. We have a bearish SMT right here. We have a gap right there. So we'll see what we can get from this. Bam. Bam. There we go. We'll see what we get. Gap I'm looking at is this gap. We need to inverse it with volume. That's what I'm looking at. Where's Daniel? Okay, Daniel's here. Daniel, did you take it? That could have been the trade to pass your account. Bro, I can't believe Daniel. I've been working with Daniel for like, what, a month and a half now, and he's already close to passing his first account. That is crazy. We just need Aurelian to lock in now. Where's Aurelian, bitch ass? But yeah, Daniel, did you take it? About to make an SMT on these two highs as well, right here. SMT was made on these two highs, right here. Big bearish SMT right here. Are we tapping into the 50? We're tapping into the 50 on ES as well. Okay, bearish SMT looking to work right now. Let me look at the other stocks. Meta holding pretty well. Bitcoin holding pretty well. My crypto's not. My other coins. Bro, Willy. Solana. Oh, Willy. Oh. Willy Wonka. Willy. Did you take I mean, look at your Solana, bro. It was at $200, now it's at 170. Okay, so we have a small gap right here. It's a bit small, to be honest. But we have a small gap where we swept that. We're tapping into the first presented. I feel like this is too small, to be honest. How many points is this? This is 4 points. This is a bit small for me. Size doesn't matter. This guy. We could be inversing that gap, but keep in mind we still have one right here. We could be inversing that one with lots of volume right here. We are 10 points from entry though. We are 10 points from entry right here. So do as you wish, but we are 10 points from entry. We're tapping into a gap right now. So, yeah. Personally, I think this one's better. See you, Ryan. Have a good day. Have a good day, my guy. Psychology's been doing super well this week as well. I'm super happy about that. I'll be waiting for this, Daniel. We got who? You took a trade right here? Bro, you were not executing, so is anyone in that short right here? We closed so fucking far from entry, but anyone's in that short? You're in that short? Gen. What that is about to be 10 or about to we just opened a new candle, hourly candle. I'll personally wait for this. What's good, Daniel? What sweep are you waiting for? Actually I was waiting for this sweep right here. This little high right there with the first presented gap. That's what I was waiting for. And then we made an SMT on these highs right here, a bit bearish SMT, as we can see, on New York high with this. Now I'm waiting for this gap to get inverse because this one we just 687 is the close and the candle closed at 671. So that's 17 points, 16, 17 points below entry, optimal entry. So I don't think it's, I mean, it's not that it's not safe, but it's just risky, if you will. So we'll see if that gap gets inverted. We could well bounce from it. ARM sinks as chip making ambition muted. Forecast shakes investor confidence. What's ARM saying right now? Oh, still going down. Imagine you holding this. Okay, we are, as expected, we are bouncing from that gap. Right now, no. Not right now. A good trade we had was this long right here. Now we're kind of waiting to see what we get over here. Like this short would have been good right here if we had closed, like if we had closed, let's say right here and not right here, because we closed 17 points below optimal entry. So 17 points, but let's say you have one contracts on is $350. So one mini, that is. So yeah, what good setup we had was this long right here that played out perfectly for today as of now. Price action's looking clean though. Looking clean, looking clean. But yeah, right now it's choppy, so we wait. We're gonna wait to see what market gives us. Peter. Still nothing? What about you, Will and D? I think you're waiting for this right here, right? You're waiting for this to sweep and bam, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm saying you're waiting for the break of structure right here, and then no, just zoomed in a lot. Oh, okay. Mm-mm. Yeah, went back up this. Huh? Which I don't know. I was kind of reading what Will was saying. Could push down. Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Continue? You can continue. Okay, we could get an inversion right here, actually. Hold on. We gonna make an SMT on that low? No. We could get the inversion here. 7. This is a big ass. This is a big ass. This is a 12-point IFVG though, but we could get the inversion here for continuation to the downside. Especially since we swept that, we're delivering from a fair value gap. We have a bearish SMT. You take a short right now. No, Will. 1K, Peter. What did you take? Peter. Peter needs. You need. How did you lose 1K here? We have no SMT, but we swept that low right here, and we kind of fucking rejected. So that's bad. That is bad. But wait, John, what model do you trade usually? Do you trade IFVG? What model do you trade? Because if you don't trade IFVG, I suggest you look at my PDF in my bio, and this could help you to like kind of take a decision on when I call it a setup, like if it's a setup that you enjoy or not. Cyberpunk. So what kind of trading do you do, John? Yeah, we're just this gap's just holding so fucking well right here. Holy shit. Yeah. SMAs? No, that's something different. SMA, let me see. SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay, moving average. Okay, I get you. Do you trade on NinjaTrader or Top X? Oh, okay. Bro, if you wanna ever try NinjaTrader and trade with SMA, bro, I think it'll be okay. Yeah, trading is better because you have all the indicators and shit. Top Step is just lacking a bit right now. But hey, hold on, Peter, you lost 1K today? What? How? Where? Exactly. Holy, we're pumping. Must have had full ported. I mean, we do move. We are moving a lot though. We are moving a lot. We just moved 50 points. You lost 300? How? How? We only called that this setup right here. Jeez. Okay, that's something I've noticed. Whenever I call a setup that's winning, uh, a lot of people lose money afterwards because maybe you guys feel like you missed something. Uh, yeah, the FOMO. I think it's something. Damn, that gives me good content for the premium education. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see, but yeah, like if I call something that's winner, afterward it's do not FOMO if you miss it. If you miss it, do not FOMO. It's all right. Just wait for something else that's clear. You do not want to be FOMOing. Hey, that sweep of Asia just got plowed right through. Imagine someone try to top the bottom tick this. But yeah, right now we're just chopping. 10:09, we're chopping. I do not think we have any more news. 10:30, we have news. 682. Oh, you got stuffed out? Jesus, how many points did you, how many money did you lose? Jesus Christ, okay, too many? Peter, what? How did you blow your account on trading this chop right here? No way. Peter, send a screenshot of your execution. Send a screenshot of your execution. That's tough. Yeah, let's see both trades that you lose. Let's analyze them and see because trade, bro, blowing an account in this chop right here is so bad. Like, I know it hurts. Let's see the execution, Peter. Let's see it. News in about 20 minutes as well. You're gonna see. I'm happy about the call out, but other than that, I'm sad that Peter blew his account. Peter, let's see the execution. How did you blow that account? Okay. We could inverse that right here. It's a bit choppy, but we could inverse it. Yeah, it was inversed. Trade was inverse. IVG was inverse. We're now up 8 points from that. 10 points. I can't count anymore. If you're in, by the way, it could lose for sure. We have a good rejection right here. Oh shit, it might lose. It might lose this one. I do not like this rejection right here. We rejected. Oh yeah, we rejected way too much. Anyone's in this, by the way? Are you locked out, D? Yeah, we're bullish here. Yeah, okay, that's good. I'm happy you did. I'm happy you did, because holy fuck, the rejection was insane. Insane fucking rejection. It's super volatile today, I've noticed. Look at this. This right here is 12 points. Yeah. But oh, okay, not bad, Will. Break even trade. But Peter, I want to see the execution, Peter. I want to see the execution. But yeah, you're right. The volume is insane right here. We look 84 is 58. That's fucking 20 points in one candle. So wait, actually, VIX isn't too high. The VIX isn't too high. VIX is nice. Don't know why we have VIX is the volatility index. I mean, look. Yeah, look. Whenever Trump was talking tariff, just look at it. Look at that shit. Same level as COVID, basically. Like you want to see it low. You don't want to see it high. That's when Trump was talking tariffs. Peter, I want to see the executions. No shame. I just want to see them. It happens. Yeah, break even trade, Willie. It happens. It's okay. We didn't lose money. I was like, okay, we might have resisted, and then I saw the rejection. I was like, oh, rip. Maybe the first fucking failed call out of the summer. But yeah, break even is good. I'm happy about this. A bit uncorrelated right now. Yeah, I mean, same. I mean, the volume was there. Look, we inversed that bitch with 20 points, and then we kept going. We went for 40 and a total, and then it just reversed. So that's weird. Peter, are you there? I'm making breakfast. We've all been there. As soon as I saw up 75, I cooked just one of those. You're like, all right, I got this set up. I got this set up. Yeah. Trying to switch my song. John D was good. Welcome back. You didn't miss anything, John D. You did not miss anything. What you missed is I don't know if you know about the VIX though. I was talking about the VIX because we just noticed that the volatility is hella fucking high, and not as high as yesterday and prior days, right? If we look at the daily right here, it's not that high, right? But still pretty high, nonetheless. Pretty low, sorry, nonetheless. But the volatility right now today is insane. If you look at the candle, right? This candle is 30 points ish. That's a 30-point candle, and it does not look like a big move, but it is a big move. This small candle right here, 72 to 88, that is almost 20-point candle. That's almost a 20-point candle. So I think today's best to stay off, to be honest. Hella volatile. Hella volatile. But happy about that setup right here, though. But super volatile. We have news in 13 minutes as well. Natural gas, I believe. Nothing crazy. Yeah, natural gas. So nothing crazy, not a T1 either. But we stay you'll be what? Bro cannot stay off the charts. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. A lot of volatility. I'm personally gonna wait for this to be swept. New York high or New York low, whichever. I'd prefer New York high, to be honest. Look for a potential reversal. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. My brother is playing guitar. It's annoying. Okay. Not seeing it. No, I'm not seeing anything, by the way. But yeah, Peter, I really want to see the executions. John D, still nothing from you? What about Daniel? I want to see like if anyone took a loss within this chop right here. I want to see it. You took a loss? Oh well, your loss is just 3 points. So plus, you know what? Yeah, it happens. What happened to risking like $80 to $100? Oh, okay. But unfunded, you're okay. Okay, makes sense. Hmm. Yeah, past 1K, you can use two cons, but before, I'm not sure. The 5 minute, this 5 minute is ass. Let's see it. Um, 40. Okay, well, wait, Will. I see the 5 minute, but yeah, it is ass. We delivered, and then we're delivering still. 5 minutes is ass. What about the 4? Same for the 4. Guessing it's the same for the 2 and the 3. Yeah, we're just kind of delivering from that one level that's holding that we've been talking about since like fucking forever. This one's just holding and holding and holding. So yeah, but that one looks so fucking good. Dumped right here, dumped another 20 points, 10 points, sorry, and now we're. Okay. I would not take the inverse right here. I would not take this inverse. I would not short this. Um, yeah, I would not. I would not take the inversion right here. Peter, I really want to see the executions. See, this is 75 to 56. That's 20 points again right here. Lots of fucking. It's super volatile right now. Super volatile. Did Trump say anything? It could be only because of the. It could be only because of the earnings, but it's super volatile. Oh well, we're losing money. No, nothing from Trump. Yeah, I would have not taken this, but if you're in, go break even. We swept internal highs right here. We're bouncing from encroachment of that gap. If you're in short, go break even. Just doing what? Katy Perry? I'm not that old. I'm not that old. No, I'm just kidding. I know who Katy Perry is. So anyone is in that short right now. I did say I would not take it personally, but anyone is in that short right now. But by the way, if you're in, go break even. Willie, did you take? How much do you need to pay? What's the drawdown? Jesus Christ. But if you reset it, it's more expensive than buying another one, I believe. So it does the same. It does the same thing basically. Okay, I think this could be a break even here pretty soon. If someone's in, this could be a break even pretty soon. See it though. SMT bullish. Hold on. SMT bullish. I do not see the SMT. Okay, I do see the SMT. Yeah, we do have a small bullish SMT right there. Yeah, we do have a small bullish SMT D. Really small one though. Okay, not tapped out break even yet. If you're still in this, not tapped out break even yet. Not yet though, but with this volume, I don't think it's like if it's gonna go up, we're gonna get tapped out break even if you're in. Pretty sure. The volume is fucking insane, but we do have a small bullish SMT, my boy. Good looks, D. Good looks, good looks. Okay, just about to tap break even. Let's see it. Mm-hmm. How? Hey, it's edging the break even point here, boys. It's edging the break even point. No, I did say we inverse that gap, but I did say I was not gonna take this. But if you're like, if someone took it, it's edging the break even point right here. Yeah, super close. Full TPs right here, by the way, if you're in this, at the bottom. If you have a lot of contracts on, I would take partials if we go there in the middle right here. Nope. I only watch Bakugan. I only watch Bakugan and Beyblade. Bro, I, I never watched anime. Oh, I'm missing out. I'm missing out, boys. We seem like we have a good resistance near the break-even point. Someone left. Someone left. I don't know who, but someone left. Hmm? Oh shit, yeah. He's probably sad right now. I mean, understandably. Okay, we're approaching the partial. We're 4 points away. Okay, take partial here if you're in. Could be hitting full TPs. Yeah, that's 2 trades today. We're happy about this. 1 minute right here. It's that one gap right there. I did say I was not taking this personally though, but we have some. If you're in, you got some partials. You got some partials in, and we're. No, I mean, I need a session sweep. You know that. So anyone took that short? I don't think anyone took it, but anyone took it. You missed out on 70 points. What about you, John? Took that? 6 times 5 is 200 points. Okay. Bullish right here. Bullish as hell right here though, boys. Really bullish. Holy fuck, I'm looking at crypto right now though. Ew. Adam is shitting the bed. Fuck me. I wish I'd never had gone into that coin. Care about to get stop break even here, boys. About to get stop break even. Hey, look at this. 30 to 50, that's 20 points. This guy. This guy. Yeah, John. John, today that's 2 trade. This one I did say was super good. This one I called out, but I did say I was not personally taking it, so not bad. Not bad at all. Hmm. Bro, my portfolio was happy right here, but over here I'm crying. Still hasn't hit the break even though. We did hit the partial point. We did hit the break even point right here. But yeah. Hold on. What was the break even? I may have you got cooked. How? Did you chase the short? Did you chase the short like somewhere around here? Stick him out. He knows. You know the method. But all right. Not hit break even yet. Not hit break even yet. Pretty close, but hasn't hit break even yet. Yeah, there's you lost 150. It's really not bad, but let me see the execution. Let me see the executions. I really wanted to see Peter's execution. John D, by the way, tomorrow's live stream is on TikTok. Every live stream on Fridays are on TikToks. So yeah. Top loss was ass. Okay, we're about to hit break even here. We did take a partial right here, so happy about that. But if we could call this a break even right here with slips and everything, yeah, with slips and everything, we could call this a stop loss. I do not get how everyone lost today, though. I do not understand. Yeah, I do not understand. There's something I'm missing here. Everyone lost, but I called out 2 winner trades. I'm kind of confused right here. Daniel, did you take anything? Daniel's been silent. I think he's asleep. I do think he's asleep. Let me hey, give me 2 seconds, boys. Alright. Alright. I am back. But how did I do not get it? Yeah, Daniel is definitely asleep. Rules are crazy. Like Bullnox is basically you go with Bullnox if you want if you're a beginner and you have never passed an account, you go with Bullnox and you test your psychology on them. Because the rules are way too hard. How much? No, there's code. There's codes. There's codes off. You need to use codes. There's a 90% off. Use my code. That's my code. Oh, Will, that's really unfortunate. It barely tapped you out. You did chase that fucking short though, but it barely tapped you out. Rip. Barely. Barely. Yeah, it is. It is. Mm, I believe so. You cannot? You can't? Let me see. Pretty sure you can. Bullnox. Yes, sir. Will, you have a good day, alright? It happens. Can't win them all. Quick start. Bullnox. You log in, bro. Okay, this could go to full TP. Account sign up. Say take this. Blah blah blah. Accept, yes. Blah blah blah, like this. Bullnox? No, they're legit. They pay out. They do pay out. Never got one with them, but yeah, I know. I know a lot of people that do. That use them. This is about to hit as well. We haven't hit the break-even point yet. It was close. Maybe the split would have had you, but we have not hit the break-even yet. Yeah. 2 winning trades, but everyone lost. I'm confused. But have I ever called a losing one though? Yeah, exactly. Too good. Yeah. Okay, it's about to hit full TP. Banger. You did? You took it for sure? For real? Okay. Damn. It happens. It happens. Hold on. Let me see. I have the sheet somewhere with the rules. I need to fucking pull it out. Actually, look into my look in the I have it somewhere. Shopping, Bullnox. Yeah, yeah, I don't even state the rule. I'm gonna need to modify that. I'm gonna need to modify that. My bad. Yeah, I need to modify it, but yeah, certified is good. Qualification accounts. Rules. Trading days. There's no minimum trading days required to get it to pass the account. Uh yeah. Maximum position shy is what it says it. Full TP by the way. The list of instrument, blah blah blah. We don't care about that. Uh No, kind of this. Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me multiple accounts. You can have several accounts with them. Let's go with the option 1 now. Trading drawdown will always follow you with the 90% off, by the way. Bro. It doesn't really tell if there's a consistency rule. That's what we're looking for right now. Yeah. I'm gonna DM them. I'll let you know. So what do you want to know? Rules for news, let's say, and then well, okay, so is there any rule? Uh Actually, hold on, look. I have this copy trading thing, I have it right here. Multiple accounts. You can have up to 11 master account. If he Rhythmic user ID, this is Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader owns Trade8, so I don't. Hmm. Hold on. It is actually confusing. I'm sorry. I'm just that guy. Okay, is there any rules for news? What's rules on eval for news? What's the consistency on eval? And can we trade Trade8? And what's consistence? If you can trade Trade8, you can trade copy trade on bid. There you go. Just ask them. Yeah, because I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna go. We called out 2 setups. I'm happy about this. Some people lost, but whatever. It happens, right? You can't win them all. Yes, sir. See you, boys.